hringdi einhver á Sprengisveitina því þú ert algjör bomba. Ég heiti Hákon. Ég ætla að taka lagið Working Class Hero með John Lennon. Þannig að þess að ég tengi mikið við þetta lag og ég finnst textinn bara mjög flott. Rom. Það virkar.
As soon as you're born, make you feel small by giving you no time instead of it all, till the pain is so big you feel nothing at all. A working class hero is something to be. A working class hero is something to be. They hurt you at home and they hit you at school. They hate you if you're clever, they despise the fool. Till you're so fucking crazy you can't follow the rules. A working class hero is something to be. A working class hero is something to be. When they've tortured and scared you for 20 odd years, then they expect you to pick a career. When you can't really function, you're so full of fear. A working class hero is something to be. A working class hero is something to be. Keep your dope with religion, sex and TV. And you think you're so clever and classless and free, but you're still fucking peasants as far as I can see. A working class hero is something to be. A working class hero is something to be. There is room at the top, they are telling you still. But first you must learn how to smile as you kill. If you want to be like the folks on the hill. A working class hero is something to be. A working class hero is something to be. If you want to be a hero, just follow me. If you want to be a hero, then just follow me.